Don't worry, I'm not going to show your face.
A tree.
I'm with our patient today, Madestone. How you doing, Madestone?
I'm doing good.
You're okay if I video your, well, whatever you have here, for our friends on YouTube?
Sure.
Now, is it true that your husband tried to hack off a limb with a chainsaw?
Yes, he did, but he hit the wrong limb.
That's a good one. You got
This
me there.
this is from the tip of the chainsaw.
Just the very tip, guy.
I mean, he was sawing the limb, and he kind of went past where he wanted to go in
Made
my
it look
arm.
like an accident, right?
Yeah, I was holding the limb.
Yeah.
So
So wait a minute. You were holding a limb and your husband was working the chainsaw? Mm-hmm. Okay, at first I was thinking that maybe I should put the blame on him, but now I'm not quite so sure.
Well,
it looks like you had a whole lot of stitches put in there.
18.
18, and it looks like there might even be some staples in there.
No, she didn't put staples. She said she would have, but I lost skin.
Okay, because it looks like, I'm trying to find something I can point
It was
at.
jagged. It was real jagged.
I want to point right there.
That was the bad part.
That almost looks like a little staple, but it's not. Okay, so
So how
many days ago?
A week Saturday.
Okay, so it looks like it's healed pretty well. You didn't put any ointments on there, right?
No.
Good. So
I was told.
That's important.
Soap.
Wonderful. You just
Dove.
clean it with soap and water once a day and leave it dry. So yeah, we're gonna have to. You've got some scab in there. I think that's sort of gonna make the suture removal a little bit more complicated,
okay.
and we don't want you to bleed or hurt. So we're gonna soak it with a little solution, a saline, and then we will remove the rest of those. Gumby Jean started and said, "You better come check this out, Doc." So
Yeah.
well, we had to get your story. Thanks for sharing.
It's going.
And I'm glad you.
Yeah. And the moral of the story
You
is.
can move your fingers.
Oh yeah.
Everything still works.
Thank goodness I did not hit any tendons,
Yeah.
any muscle. I
I
mean,
think
it
you
was
definitely-
quick.
Yeah.
It was just a zzz.
Did it hurt?
No, not really.
It's amazing, isn't it?
I grabbed it,
Yeah.
ran to the kitchen, put it under the running water,
Yeah.
and then he did a tourniquet here,
Oh, sure.
and then I got a big giant towel, wrapped it, and away we went to the ER.
Good for you. All right. Well, I think you're going to heal fine, and
But you can't go to the urgent care. I went there first.
yeah, they probably tried to meet you out front, and
They said, no. You
Yeah.
need to go to the ER.
If the injury involves a chainsaw, that's kind of one of those.
Just,
yeah.
you know,
Did
and
she
of
say
course-
chainsaw? Nope. Send her over to the ER, please. Yeah.
And of course, I got all the jokes. My brother-in-law sent me the chainsaw massacre guy
Yeah, that's
on a text message.
And so the important thing to remember, folks, is if somebody is working on removing some limbs with a chainsaw, don't offer to hold the limbs.
Nope.
Just don't do that.
No.
All right, we'll get those out for you in a minute. Okay. So we got Gumby Jean. All right.
Guys,
All right.
it should be good and
Soft.
soft.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have to sit.
It still kind of looks nasty.
Well, it's only been a week, so yeah.
Make sure I don't get your toes.
If
don't
you
fall
run
off
over
the
her
chair.
toes, then it's just more fun
She's
for me.
made of stone anyway.
She's Madestone.
All right. I'm camera shy.
You're doing fine. Just get
I
in.
can't grip it.
They look like little hairs.
They do. They really. I think those were 4s. I think they had to use 4.0 because of the size.
Yeah,
of the
she
limb.
kept having to open up another pack. And it was kind of cool.
Can't
little
get under
circle.
there.
You can do it, Gumby Jean.
I know I can. Oh, come on.
Lift it up. Slide that in there and give it a little snip. You got it.
It's knotted, so. Okay, there we go.
There you go. Yeah.
Woo, I'm sweating. It's like trying to deactivate a bomb.
Don't cut the rip.
Don't cut the
Don't
red.
cut the rip. Everybody knows.
Roses are red.
Green or black? Green or black? Cut the green one. Madestone's the star.
Does that hurt?
No.
Okay. That one, oh, that was.
It hurt her more than
Right.
it hurt me.
I'm hurting. should have made your husband come up here and watch.
I know it.
I'll bet he really felt bad though.
He did. He's probably thinking about it now.
He's probably still doing dishes. He's still taking the trash out. Those are things he should be doing anyway.
That's right.
So, but now we just, imagine now if he does something, what are you going to do? Take your chainsaw out on me again?
Right.
Yeah, he had the nerve. Was it yesterday? Because the tree's still sitting there half cut.
No, he
Forgot about the tree.
He said, well, I hope you start feeling better soon because we've got to get that
Forget
other
it.
couple of branches down.
I said, do you realize it would have been cheaper to pay the landscape, the people that come cut the grass?
Y'all just wanted to do it together.
So anyway, all this wood is sitting there. He goes, well, can you help me at least pick the wood up and put it in the wood barrel?
Good gravy.
I said, are you out of your mind? I am never doing one
Again.
bit of yard work as long as I live.
Oh yeah, she got these babies tight.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. You saw how that one just
The whole
unfolded?
thing just came right out. Do you have one more there?
I think so.
Did you have to go to...
Look at that.
I did.
All pretty.
I didn't make... Oh, I got another piece here, right?
I see one little hair.
Is that scab?
I think that's just a little
Oh, no,
stitch.
that's a stitch.
Is that a stitch?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're in trouble now.
Yeah, that one's kind of deep.
Yeah, you might just pull right out. Yeah, you already cut it.
Yeah, there's one. I can see the side of it. You see it?
Okay, now. We only need one doctor here.
Yeah, that's it.
She caught it.
She did. She did
Hold
good.
on, wait.
How about that little thing?
That's what I was talking about.
Oh, here?
Yeah, that little hair.
That little piece right there.
Yeah.
Don't they make some that dissolve?
Yeah, but these
Yeah,
aren't.
not for this.
Oh.
I don't think that's one. I don't think that's connected to the...
This is just a scab right here.
Yeah.
Because this was a little...
But it looks like it's a stitch still here.
Yeah, it does kind of.
Like when you look in here.
I'm going to have to put one more time, and that one little dot was a stitch, and I got it right out for you. So, actually, not too bad. So we're going to dress this up for you, make it look pretty, and let you go home. Just keep it clean and dry like you have been doing. And this should heal up, and once it does, you let us know, and we'll get you a prescription for some scar topical products that we can use that'll help mitigate
okay.
the scar. We can do that.
So in the meantime, just still wash it with soap?
Right. You don't
Okay.
want to put anything on this other than just keep it clean and dry, okay?
Oh, okay.
Thanks for letting us record for all our friends
right.
on YouTube. It's gonna,
Okay.
They're going to be so excited to see woman attacked by husband with chainsaw.
Yeah, it could have been worse. It really could have been worse.
Yeah, I think you're very lucky.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.